Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add motion tracking or how to track your objects in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to create your own project. You can simply go to File, New Project, and from there you can start creating your own project. Now you will be needing to add the footage where you want to add the motion tracking. And basically in Filmora, it will provide you with AI tools that would make things easier. And all we need to do is to simply go and search for our AI tools that will add motion tracking. So as you can see, there is the AI object remover, and you have the AI vision generation, etc. So here you can find all uh, the AI tool, and the one that we want is to use AI tracking tool. And simply, we are interested in motion tracking. So basically, we'll be clicking on the motion tracking. You choose, for example, the object that you want to track, and here, and basically, you can see we will need just to generate it. So basically, we are going to here, and I'm just going to click to start motion tracking. And now the target inside the tracking box must be visible 100% of the time. So as you can see, this just cut where we have a guy like doing the push-up, and like let's just have the video to here, and simply we can have this video, and this one would work. And basically now we can choose this one, and we do like this, and you can choose the track settings, and basically now it will be working. So as you can see now, the AI is tracking the video, and basically it's working. And basically you can start even hide the target box, or you can show in it. You can also add anything that you would like to add, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.